Nah. So, I ordered this wig here online on Amazon, and I wanted to check it out because like I never heard of this brand before, but got this going on here. Nice pink bag. It's one of those headband wigs because it's like a half wig, but it's human hair and stuff. I'm just not opening it now. It comes with this pretty animal print headband. I really like this. That's cool. That's dope. Oh, I'm just dropping stuff here. It's crazy. So it comes with big caps, so you can put it on. Alright. As you can see, I done try to gel down and slick down my edges just a little bit. Just a little bit. It may not look a lot, but don't judge me, okay? I tried. I think this was like $75 on Amazon, I think. This is 18 inches. And it's like a kinky curly texture. So we're about to see what's going on with this baby. Oh yeah. You slide out like that. Got the lunch lady net on it. Let's take that. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, let's take that off. It's nutty net. Get off me. Ah. Okay. That's all. So here it is. A Z headband. It closes with Z Velcro. Nah, the Velcro back here. And the Velcro piece where it attaches is pretty big. So, looks good. Got some combs going on all around. I don't really use combs. So, the hair feels nice. It says 18 inches. I was going to get 14. And I'm glad I didn't. Because I always get short hair. It kind of smells like Barbie hair. I don't know. I don't think it smells bad, but it don't really smell good. It's kind of like a neutral. Kind of smells like hair smell. You know, like that smell of like wigs, like human hair wigs when you get them. Depending on like the quality and stuff, it has like this kind of hair smell. I don't know how to explain it, but if you wear like a lot of wigs and stuff, you know what I'm talking about. Like it has like that hair smell. So maybe I should wash it. But I mean, whatever. I like the little waves and stuff. So let's try this thing on. Oh yeah. Ooh. This is odd to me. I've never worn a wig like this. I've worn half wigs, but this ain't no half wig. Well, this is not like a regular half wig, because this has the little headband thing, which is what a lot of people do when they wear half wigs. So I kind of feel like this alleviates that problem. Trying to make sure no hair is stuck up on that Velcro thing. And close that thing nice and tight. Looks good over there. Looking good over here. Okay. Let's see. Got a comb over here. Let's see what's going on. I wanted to look a bit more fluffy here. It's so flat right there. It kind of looks weird to me. because in reality, your hair is not gonna be hella flat behind the headband, like when you put your hair up, like your actual hair. So let me adjust this bad boy. Pull it up a little bit. So, okay. Tease this girl. Teaser and teaser and teaser. Ooh yeah. Got the teasing. It's the tease for me, baby. Let's see what's going on. Okay, just a couple little strands coming out. Nothing too crazy. Let me see. Oh, the ends of this hair don't look too super great, but it also wasn't super expensive, so I'm not gonna expect the most. But it's very full. I can say that. I like that. You know, I think it could look really good flat ironed too. Let me see. Kind of. Baby slid back just a little bit. She slid back just a little bit, baby. Chill. Dang, do I even got a ponytail holder around this mug? Holy snaps. Holy sugar. Oh, wait. So I'm right. Oh, shit. I messed up that ponytail. I jacked that ponytail up, y'all. Ponytail crooked. Well, it's okay. I can make it tighter and do all that, but it's kind of cute. I'm trying to see what I could do without making that whole thing come off. You dig? Because that's the last thing you want to do. Is think you cute out here and your whole wig go, ooh, and then you all jacked up. I definitely feel like for this, I'm probably going to need to use the combs. Because I don't know, I got that feeling. Baby, I got the feeling that the thing on start slipping. And that's not cute. Bro, you out here think you cute. And you just start slide to the left. When cha-cha slide out here and you ain't even know, like, oh shit. Oh, baby. You can't be out here looking crazy. I think it's okay. Am I going to sit here and straighten this shit? Am I going to sit here and straighten this hair? Y'all wondering, right? Y'all wondering. I'm not. Yeah, I don't really, I usually wear hair in the texture it comes in. And straightening it right now ain't my priority. I got it for this texture. I don't want it straight. I have a ton of straight wigs. I think that I might color this though. That's cute. That shit cute. I'm not gonna lie. But I do need to put the comb down here. Because if you don't, the whole back gonna come up. So, see, I'm starting to slide. Yeah, this week you're definitely gonna have to utilize those combs, or else your wig is gonna slide back when you start doing stuff. But for me, I think this shit's super cute though. Like, I was trying to do a higher ponytail. I'm not good at doing things like that. And I know some people, when they do high ponytails, they do like 2-part ponytails. So they'll have like the high piece like in a ponytail, and then they'll bring the other hair into a ponytail to meet this hair. I don't know what am I doing? What am I doing, bro? Yo, what am I doing? Yo, this is looking crazy. This is looking horrible, y'all. What am I doing? That's how y'all know. I don't know what I'm doing. Much on. Oh, it's always to the left. That's a John crooked like that. I'm like, why like this, bro? It's like that, cause I'm not here. Oh shit! I left the whole part out. Yeah, I'm not no good at this. Come on here. Okay. So for that windblown style, I just woke up at your man's house hairstyle now. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but you're seeing now I'm trying to do something cute and it ain't happen. You know, you can do this. You can do this. You know, look cute. Oh shit! Let's see it coming down in the back. Y'all ain't see that part. Y'all ain't see that part. So don't judge. Don't come for me. This is not no tutorial. This is just a review.
It was at
All
this
right?
moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh bro. That's why I say y'all gotta use those hooks that come with it, cause bro, like y'all just seen. You ain't trying to be outside with your man, and then you and then you'll just slip. You ain't gonna be like, sis, your whole shit open, baby. What happened? And then you'll be like, huh? What you talking about, boy? My hair is fine. Meanwhile, your wig done slipped back to 1995. And then you sitting there thinking you cute. And you all the way in 2021. And your wig back there in 1995. Your wig back here in 1995, bro. We were supposed to be up here. We supposed to be up here. 2021. So you ain't trying to have that. When that time warp, I mean, slide back in space, like some Back to the Future, chill. You're not trying to have none of that. Especially when you're trying to be cute. Like, bruh, don't do that. Okay. So I put on this little Jimmy. Supposed to be trying to have my hair out. Shit. You're covering my whole shit. Alright. So that's looking cute. Not with this little, not this. This ain't, that ain't cute. That ain't looking cute. Now it's looking crazy. See, I see. Okay. This don't look that cute either, but yeah, no. Okay. Yep. So I say if you ain't trying to spend a whole lot of money, man, and you want to try it out, you know, it ain't A1 quality, but it's good quality for the price that I paid. Like, I feel like for this length, for this type of wig, they have ones that cost way more, and they probably would have been higher quality. But you get what you pay for when it comes to hair, as we all know. So, like I said, if you want to spend a little coin and try it out, and you want to be lazy when you just want to do something to your hair real quick, and just slide this little half wig on and get on, I feel like this is gonna be the way. This is gonna be the way. It's gonna be cute. You can do a little something, something, a little scrunching. You could wear it all the way to the front and not have it your edges out or whatever. However you trying to do this. You could wear it like a half wig like this, or you could wear it all the way to the front of your hairline, and you're gonna be fine. So that's all on you. You can check it out. Now me, I'll leave the description it down there. Stop thinking naughty. Not down, not all the way down there. Just down in the description box underneath. Okay? Get your mind out together. Get out together. So yeah. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. I hope that you could have used some of this information, even though I ain't do nothing too cute with the hair or whatever. I was just trying to tell you what I think about it. Stay beautiful. You're beautiful as you are. Always remember that. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise, because they're lying and they're a hater. And we don't have time for those. So, yeah. Always go for the gold, because there's nothing better. Maybe platinum, but that's not the point. Be the best that you can be, and strive to be the best you that you can be every day. And peace.